नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? डूइंग वेल? स्टडिंग प्रॉपर? गुड. स्टडी प्रॉपर, हाँ? Okay children, so last classes instead of exercise I taught you lesson डूबते को सहारा. डूबते को सहारा. I taught you one story na? In that one brave young man was there who took risk his own life to save that small boy life who was in water. Okay, and what was the moral of the story? We should act instead of wasting our time in talking. Okay, that boy was there na, heavy rain was there, he was sinking, all are shouting save my boy, but nobody was going to save. So you remember the story? So same lesson we will continue with word meaning. So shall we start children? We will read the word meaning for that lesson. And same word meaning you have to write in your classwork also. Okay? So first one, the, half na, ya, wa pe a की मात्रा wa, and the. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद means thanks. धन्यवाद means thanks. In Tamil you will say nandri. Okay? So same thing. धन्यवाद means thanks. Second one, na, द पे बड़ी की मात्रा दी. नदी. नदी means river. नदी means river. R-I-V-E-R. River. River means नदी. ल, ग पे आ की मात्रा गा, त पे आ की मात्रा ता, and र. लगातार. लगातार means continuous. लगातार means continuous. C-O-N-T-I-N-O-U-S. Continuous. Next one, शोर. श पे ओ की मात्रा शो, and र. शोर. शोर means noise. N-O-I-S-E. Noise means someone is shouting. Now all people will shout. That is shor. Shor means noise. N-O-I-S-E. आँख. आ and चंद्रबिंदु आ and ख. ख से खरगोश. आँख. आँख means eye. आँख means eye. E-Y-E. eye. बारिश. बा, र पे छोटी की मात्रा री, and श. बारिश. बारिश means rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Okay? So बारिश means rain. One more round we will read. धन्यवाद. Thanks. नदी. River. लगातार. Continuous. शोर. Noise. आँख. Eye. बारिश. Rain. Okay children, now we will go for exercise. सही उत्तर पर चिन्ह लगाइए. Take the correct answer. First one, बच्चा किस पर सो रहा था? Where that child was sleeping. First is चादर पर means bed sheet, चटाई पर on the mat, और खाट पर cot. So where the child was sleeping? On the cot. So correct answer will be खाट पर. So third one you have to tick. बच्चे को किसने बचाया? Who saved that child? नौजवान ने, माँ ने, और गांव वालों ने. नौजवान मीन्स यंग बॉय, माँ मीन्स मदर, गांव वालों मीन्स विलेज पीपल. सो हु सेव द चाइल्ड? नौजवान ने. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नौजवान. थर्ड वन, नौजवान ने गांव वालों से कहा. दैट यंग बॉय व्हाट ही टोल्ड टू विलेज पीपल? कम बोलने के लिए, टॉक लेस, कम काम करने के लिए, डू लेस वर्क, और कम चिल्लाने के लिए, लेस साउट. व्हाट ही टोल्ड? ही टोल्ड टॉक लेस एंड डू मोर. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी कम बोलने के लिए. सो टेक इन योर बुक. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. रिक्त स्थान भरिए. रिक्त मीन्स एम्प्टी, स्थान मीन्स प्लेस, भरिए मीन्स fill. So fill in the blanks. First one, अधिक वर्षा से नदी में बाढ़ आ गया या आ गई. Nadi word is female. Okay, Nadi word is female, like a girl. So with girl, when we are putting the helping verb, it will be e ki matra. आ गया for boy we will say, for girl we will say आ गई. So अधिक वर्षा से नदी में बाढ़ आ गई. First one you have to fill here. Okay, I have fill for you. Same thing you copy. Second one, उनमें से पानी में कोई नहीं कूदे और कूदा. उनमें से means in all people any one they are talking. So for one people plural we will not put, we will put one. For single what verb we will put. So उनमें से पानी में कोई नहीं कूदा. कूदे means lot of people have jump in the water. Okay, so कूदे will not come. Correct answer is first one. You also write here कूदा. Next one, तभी एक नौजवान वहां आया. नौजवान और लड़की. So correct answer will be नौजवान. लड़की means girl. So there one girl has come or one young man has come. One young man, नौजवान. So correct answer will be नौजवान. Last one, हमें कम बोलना चाहिए. Option is अधिक or कम. We should talk less or more. In the story, we should talk less and we should do more. So correct answer is कम. So same thing you write in your book also. Okay. See children, exercise number 3. Read, understand and write. पढ़िए, समझिए और लिखिए. Read means पढ़िए, understand means समझिए and write means लिखिए. See this side what is that? 3 options they have given. बच्चा, बच्चे, बच्चों. With this 3 they have make 3 sentence. बच्चा बह गया. Because one child is there, so last आ की मात्रा has come गया. बच्चे बह गए. Lot of children is there, so गए word has come. बच्चे बह गए. बच्चों ने शोर मचाया. Lot of children are doing some work. Okay, so here बच्चों ने शोर मचाया because lot of children are doing one activity together. Okay, so now this they have make the sentence. Now what they are saying on this 3 what they have given, in that you have to make a sentence. What is the new word? कपड़ा, कपड़े, कपड़ों. Here बच्चा, बच्चे, बच्चों. Same thing कपड़ा, कपड़े, कपड़ों. So now we have to make a sentence like here they have made. So first one, कपड़ा बह गया. One cloth was there, that is gone. In water it has gone. Okay, so कपड़ा बह गया because that is a one cloth. Now कपड़े बह गए. Lot of cloth was there, all has gone in water. Okay, now third one, कपड़ों. Lot of cloth was there. कपड़ों को बहाया गया. Someone has throw all the cloth in water. Okay, so here sentence will be changed. कपड़ों को बहाया गया. Okay, कपड़ों को बहाया गया. Okay children, so same thing you copy in your textbook. Now exercise number 4. What they are saying, in your lesson how many bindu or chandra bindu? Bindu means one dot. Bindu means see here one dot. Chandra bindu means you know chandra bindu, one round and top is there. How many words has come? You have to search and write. Okay, so I have searched for you here some letters. Same thing you copy in your exercise book also. Okay, chandra bindu, वहाँ. One word I got it in your lesson. Okay, वहाँ, मुँह, गाँव, आँख. All letter is having the chandra bindu. So same thing you copy. Now अंक की मात्रा. With अंक की मात्रा I have searched some letter for you. गंडक. Gandak is the river name what has come in your book. Ganga. Ganga also is river name. This three, it is not in your book, but Anki Matra is there, so I have given for you. I have written for you. You just write it same. Ganga, Angur, Ang. Ang means body part. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now we will go for question and answer. Lesson 5. Some question answer is there. We will go for that. Okay? You listen carefully and write in your classwork neat and clean. On your screen, your homework also I have written for you. So I will read for you. Read and write. Word meaning means lesson 5 word meaning you have to write. This same question answer you have to write. And book exercise you have to complete page number 30, 31 and 32. Okay, children. So shall we start the question answer? Listen carefully. अधिक वर्षा होने से क्या होता है? When it will be too much rain, what will happen? What will happen if it will be too much rain? In this lesson also, too much rain has come. So what has happened? अधिक वर्षा होने से बाढ़ आ जाती है. If it will be too much rain, flood will come. So answer will be बाढ़ आ जाती है. बाढ़ means flood. So अधिक वर्षा होने से बाढ़ आ जाती है. Question number 2. बच्चे की माँ क्यों परेशान थी? Why that child mother was very much worried? Why she was too much worried? Why she is shouting? Answer. क्योंकि because उसका बच्चा पानी में डूब रहा था. डूब रहा था means sinking. डूब रहा था means sinking. उसका बच्चा means her child. So why that mother was too much disturbed? Because her child was sinking in the water. क्योंकि उसका बच्चा पानी में डूब रहा था. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. बच्चे को किसने बचाया? बचाया मीन्स सेव. किसने मीन्स हु. किसने मीन्स हु. बचाया मीन्स सेव. हु सेव दैट चाइल्ड? सो इन द स्टोरी हु सेव द चाइल्ड? एक नौजवान ने. वन यंग मैन हैज कम. ही सेव द स्मॉल बेबी. सो आंसर विल बी बच्चे को एक नौजवान ने बचाया. एक नौजवान ने. सो आंसर विल बी एक नौजवान ने बचाया. वन यंग मैन हैज सेव दैट चाइल्ड. नौजवान ने गांव वालों से क्या कहा? नौजवान ने गांव वालों से क्या कहा? That young man, what he told to village people? He told, हमें बोलना कम और काम अधिक करना चाहिए. We should talk less and work more. Okay? We should talk less and work more. हमें बोलना कम. बोलना means talk, कम means less. काम means work, अधिक means more. So we should talk less and work more. Okay, children. So this is your question answer. Your lesson 5 has complete. Do reading practice. Complete your homework. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a good day.